Hello everyone, let's talk about the process to download the official preview ISO file for Windows 11 version 26H2. Although the next version of the operating system won't be released until sometime in September or October 2026, Microsoft already offers a direct download for the Windows 11 version 26H2 ISO file to perform a clean installation or an in-place upgrade. However, it's important to note that version 26H2 is still under development, and it is not recommended to install the OS on a main computer. Instead, at this stage, it is only suggested to install the new version on a spare computer or a virtual machine for testing purposes. Also, it is always recommended to create a full backup before proceeding as needed. The official download is available through the Windows Insider Program Downloads page, and we need to sign in with the Microsoft account. And from here, we just need to go to the bottom of the page, and on this section, we need to select this option. And here's the thing. Although this item is labeled 25H2, Microsoft has officially announced that starting with build 26300 at 8697 and higher releases are now part of version 26H2. So downloading builds in the 26300 series, you're actually downloading the latest preview for version 26H2. Eventually, the company will update this page, but at the time of recording, that is not the case. Now we just need to click the confirm button, then select the product language, click confirm, and now we just need to click this button to download the ISO for the latest preview of Windows 11. This might take some time depending on your internet connection. After the download is complete, we're going to find the ISO file on the downloads folder or in the location where you selected to store the file. And from here, you can mount the image to File Explorer. And then we can run the setup.exe to perform an in-place upgrade. And for that, we just need to continue with the on-screen directions. And just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select no, but you want to download updates. And once you're ready, you just need to click the install button. I will need to upgrade this computer, so I'm going to close this. Now, if the plan is to perform a clean installation of Windows 11 version 26H2, it will require a third-party tool such as Rufus or Ventoid to create a bootable media. However, there is another way using command prompt to create a USB bootable media, and that requires first to mount the ISO file to File Explorer as we previously done, and then we need to connect a USB with enough space to make it bootable. Okay, first we need to note the mount point drive letter, which in this case is E, and you can see it right here. Once we know that, we need to connect a USB flash drive, which I've done right here. And of course, I make sure that it's clean and nothing important will be erased. Now, from the start menu, we can open command prompt, but I'm going to use the terminal in this case. I'm going to right click and run this as administrator, and I'm going to switch to command prompt. Now I'm just clear the screen. I'm on the root C, and here I'm just going to type disk part. Then I'm going to list all the available disks. That is to find the USB flash drive, which I know because it's around like 16 gigabytes, but it shows up at 15 gigabytes. So we know that the USB is disk 1. And it is important that we know exactly the one, because like if we select the wrong drive, we're going to place data on the incorrect storage. Now I'm going to select disk 1. I'm going to clean it. Now I'm going to create a primary partition. I'm going to select the partition 1. I'm going to format this with file system and TFS, and I'm going to use a quick switch so it doesn't take too long to perform the format. Then I'm going to assign a letter. In this case, I'm going to use the letter X. Now I'm going to exit this part. Now, we already mounted the ISO file on Windows 11, but if that was the case, from command prompt, we can use this PowerShell command, updating the path to the Windows 11 26H2 ISO file, as you see it on the screen, and that will mount the ISO file on the computer. So now I'm going to open this part one more time. I'm going to list the values to confirm that the virtual drive or the mount point is drive E. And now I'm going to switch locations. So I'm going to switch to the E drive. From here, we're going to open the boot folder. And then we're going to type this command to update the value boot code for the USB flash drive. And we know that the flash drive is using the X letter. And now we're going to use the X copy command, and we're going to copy everything on the ISO to the flash drive. And we also need to update this letter for the USB flash drive. And then we just need to press enter to copy all the files, and then the USB will become bootable with installation files. And that's it. Once the process completes, we can use the USB to install Windows 11 version 26H2 on any device. Now, before ending this video, I just wanted to show you that I downloaded build 26300.8772, and that is actually the preview build that I'm running on this computer. And if we go to the About page, we can see that I'm running version 26H2. And that confirms that running builds in the 26300 series are actually running version 26H2 with supported hardware. Now, leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you. And I would like to thank you for viewing.